wouldn't have fallen asleep, you start playing with your microfiber. So here we have the Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. I've not done this before. This is your deep clean for your cloths. You're doing this like every 3 to 6 months. I've only had mine since August, but I need to try it out so I know how it works to share it with all of you. So you take a bucket or a basin or a pot and you have hot water but not boiling. You can also do a soak if you have a top loader. I have a front loader, so I can't do it in there. So first step, take 1 scoop. It's about 32 cc's, about 30 grams. And you completely dissolve that in your hot, not boiling water. And then you can have up to 10 of your microfiber cloths. I have 9 here. So as soon as this is dissolved, we're going to put them in and see what happens. So pause. So you put in your microfiber. Once it's dissolved, this is what your water is looking like. Okay, a little cloudy. Not entirely clear, but certainly not dirty. So in goes the Enviro, your everything cloth. This is a must. And your window. If you only have 2 things, these are your 2 things. They can do so much. Clean everything, polish everything, shine it up, windows, you name it. In we go. These are amazing body cloths. Wash your face with no soap. Wash your body with no soap. No soapy residue in your showers, no irritating chemicals on your skin. Save a lot of money on product. That's an understatement. And then I have my travel Enviros. I love these guys because these I can hang on the back of my bathroom door, and every night I quick wipe down the toilet handle and the sink that my kids use and spit and do their grimy hands in all day. And then I know that one of the dirtiest places in my home is clean every day in like 30 seconds. So that's awesome. I also, when I pick up my kids from school, I hand them a damp one of these and they wipe all the dirt and grime and bacteria off of their hands. And then I feel good about handing them a snack. So in go my 5 travel Enviros. Just get those down in there. Again, you're not boiled, you're just really hot. The stuff is dissolved and now you're headed for a 30-minute soak. So we've got another pause. Okay, so we're 15 minutes in. We've got 15 minutes to go. Come take a look at what it's looking like now. Kind of grimy. Hard to see. So that's where we are. So check in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's wrap this up. So come on in. This is what we have at the end. Just so you can see it against a white surface. We'll scoop some of that in there. So, getting that deep clean. After this, you'll rinse this out. You'll either rinse your cloths really, really, really well and then hang them to dry or throw them in the dryer. Or if you so choose, dump your water and go ahead and launder your cloths in a normal cycle in your washing machine with a Norwex laundry detergent, or at the very least a free and clear, so that you're not adding perfumes and dyes and fillers back into your cloths, which would clog them up. And then you're good to go. So again, you're saving the environment by not using one and dones, and you're saving money because I don't have to go out and buy anything. I'm just going to keep going with these guys. So thanks for watching. Again, this is your Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. Keep those claws working for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.